If you're wondering about in the world is programming, then sit back till the end. Imagine you are playing with your dog and you instruct him to bring the ball that you just threw. Dog will surely run towards the ball and fetch it for you. You might be thinking what this example has to do with programming. So let me tell you. What did was just instructed the dog to accomplish the task. This is you just programmed your dog to do so. Programming is a way for us to tell computers what to do. Computer is a very dumb machine and it only does what we tell it to do. Hence, we learn programming and tell computers to do what we are very slow at, computation. If I ask you to calculate 5, 6, you will immediately say 11. How about 23,453, 56,456? So what we did was we instructed the dog to perform the following steps. Run towards the ball, fetch the ball, bring the ball back. Thus we wrote a program for the dog.